Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I have with me Miss,
Dr. Smita Desai,
author of.
Miss How and Me, short stories and more on inclusion.
Can you tell me a little bit more about these short stories? Did you write all of them?
No, so I am the editor and I have authored the very first chapter.
Right.
The first chapter says a little bit about the genesis of my work
Right.
in inclusion. I am a psychologist,
Right.
a practicing psychologist, and a special educator.
Right.
And I am the founder and the director of an organization called Drishti.
So, what do you think stands out about this book, in its genre or theme?
So, there are a couple of things which I think really stand out about this book. One is that I am not the singular author. This book has 40 chapters,
Right.
of which 39 chapters have been contributed by different stakeholders in the field of inclusion and inclusive education. So we've got actual students who've been through these difficulties but have emerged successful.
Right.
We have stakeholders such as parents, teachers,
any one of the
administrators
contributors
from
here?
the government. Yes. So we're very fortunate to have Mr. KVS Rao,
Yes.
who
Can you
is
join us, please?
who is one of the contributing authors.
Right.
Mr. Rao has just retired from the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, right?
And let me also say that the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 cannot be successful unless we have inclusive education. Reason is now there is 4% reservation in government jobs. Unless people go for the education at the college and university level, they cannot compete and fill up the seats. Secondly, there is 5% reservation at the university level, not only for arts, sciences, but even professional courses. So unless they go in for the primary school and pass through that, they cannot go to the college. So therefore, this is the fundamental part
Exactly.
of if they really have to achieve
Right.
what is guaranteed by the law.
I really appreciate your efforts. They're quite noble. Thank you so much for sharing your experiences with us.
Right.
And I hope you have a
Thank you.
wonderful book fair.